What's the meaning of CAM? CAM. CAM.
CAM. CAM. CAM stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. It refers to the use of computer software to control and automate the manufacturing process. CAM systems can be used to create CNC, computer numerical control, programs that control the movement and operation of machinery, such as mills, lathes, and routers. These programs can be used to produce parts with a high degree of accuracy and consistency, and can also reduce waste and increase efficiency in the manufacturing process. CAM technology is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing, and is an essential part of modern manufacturing processes.